The beginning of your English journey. Imagine this. You're in a room full of people speaking English fluently, and you want to join the conversation, but something holds you back. Words don't come out the way you want. Sound familiar? Well, today, we're here to change that. Learning English is more than memorizing grammar rules. It's about embracing a mindset, developing consistent habits, and practicing effectively. Whether you're starting from scratch or aiming to polish your skills, I'll show you how to make real progress. No boring lectures, just practical steps to unlock your potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for improving your English. Let's dive in. Part 1. Build a strong foundation with listening. When we're children, how do we learn language? We listen first. Listening is your foundation. The importance of listening. Start with things you enjoy. It could be your favorite English songs, podcasts, or TV shows. Don't stress about understanding every word. Just let the language flow into your ears. Over time, your brain will naturally start picking up patterns. Listening is not just about hearing words. It's about understanding context, emotions, and intonation. For example, think about how people express excitement in their voice or use pauses for emphasis. These subtle details make a big difference in your comprehension. Quick tip: turn on subtitles for English shows, then challenge yourself to turn them off as you improve. Active listening practices. Shadowing. Listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it. This practice improves your pronunciation and rhythm. Questioning. While listening, ask yourself, what is the speaker's main point? What emotions are they conveying? This keeps your mind engaged. Expand your listening horizons. Don't just stick to one type of content. Explore different accents like British, American, or Australian English. Watch interviews, news channels, or YouTube videos on various topics. The diversity will train your ear to understand English in any setting. Real-life example. Imagine listening to a motivational podcast. Even if you miss some words, you'll grasp the overall meaning. Repeat this daily, and over weeks, you'll notice how much easier it becomes to understand the same speaker. But listening alone isn't enough. You need to make the language your own. How? Let's find out. Part 2. Speak daily, even if it feels awkward. Here's the truth. You can't improve your spoken English if you don't speak. Yes, it's intimidating, and yes, you'll make mistakes, but that's how we grow. Overcoming the fear of speaking. Many learners fear speaking because they worry about making mistakes. But here's the thing. Mistakes are proof that you're learning. Think of every mistake as a stepping stone toward fluency. Find someone to talk to, even if it's yourself in front of a mirror. Practice simple sentences like, "Today, I'm going to the store," or "I love reading books." Start small and build your confidence step by step. Pattern interrupt. And hey, if you say beach instead of peach once, don't worry. You're learning, and it's all part of the process. Joining communities. Better yet, join a language exchange app or community. Speaking with native speakers will improve your confidence and pronunciation. You'll learn how real conversations flow, which is something textbooks can't teach. Practical exercises for speaking. Record yourself speaking on your phone. Listen to it later and note areas to improve. Practice with voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Ask questions or give commands in English. Example activity. Join a virtual English speaking group. Share a story about your day and listen to others share theirs. Building confidence through role play. Try role-playing common situations, like ordering food at a restaurant or asking for directions. Pretend to be both the customer and the waiter. And create dialogues. This exercise will prepare you for real-life interactions. Transition. So, you're listening and you're speaking. But what about vocabulary? Let's tackle that next. Part 3. Master vocabulary in small, meaningful chunks. Learning vocabulary effectively. Have you ever tried learning 100 new words at once, only to forget them a day later? That's not the way to do it. Focus on 5 to 10 words a day that you'll actually use. Make flashcards, use apps, or create sentences with those words. The key is repetition. Here's a fun exercise. Choose a theme each week, like food, travel, or hobbies, and learn words related to that theme. It keeps things exciting and relevant. Using vocabulary in context. Vocabulary isn't just about knowing words. It's about using them effectively. Practice incorporating new words into sentences. For example, if you learn the word enthusiastic, try saying, "I am enthusiastic about improving my English." Interactive methods. Play word games like Scrabble or crosswords. Use vocabulary apps like Anki or Quizlet to keep learning fresh and interactive. Real-world application. Pick a news article and highlight 5 new words. Look up their meanings, and then rewrite a paragraph using those words. This helps reinforce their usage. But vocabulary isn't just about learning. It's about applying it. What's the secret to mastering this skill? Keep watching. Part 4. Surround yourself with English. Creating an English environment. Think of English as a new environment you need to live in. Change your phone's language to English. Follow English-speaking creators online, and even label items in your home with their English names. The more exposure you have, the faster you'll absorb the language. Listen to English while cooking, cleaning, or commuting. Let English become a natural part of your day. Benefits of immersion. Immersion helps you think in English instead of translating from your native language. Over time, you'll notice that forming sentences becomes easier, and your responses and conversations become quicker. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you just understood an entire English conversation without thinking twice. That's the power of immersing yourself. Find English everywhere. Watch live streams on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. Read simple English blogs or news articles daily. Interact with English speakers in online forums. Challenge yourself. Join a 30-day immersion challenge. Commit to consuming at least 1 hour of English content daily, whether it's videos, books, or podcasts. But immersion alone won't make you fluent. Let's talk about the missing piece, your mindset. Part 5. Embrace mistakes and stay consistent. The role of mistakes in learning. Let me tell you a secret. The fear of making mistakes is the biggest barrier to improving English. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for progress. Celebrate your small wins, like using a new word in conversation or understanding a movie scene without subtitles. Building consistency. Consistency is your best friend. Spend 15 minutes a day practicing English. It's better than cramming for hours once a week. Make English practice a habit, not a chore. Pattern interrupt. And hey, when you mix up dessert and desert, just laugh it off. At least you'll get an interesting story out of it. Set achievable goals. Break your learning into small, manageable goals. For instance, aim to learn 5 new phrases by the end of the week or watch 1 English movie every weekend. Think of your progress like planting a tree. Each practice session is a drop of water, and over time, you'll see your fluency grow. We're almost at the end, but there's one final tip that ties everything together. Don't miss this. Conclusion. Your roadmap to success. Improving English isn't about being perfect. It's about staying curious, practicing every day, and enjoying the journey. Start with listening, speak daily, grow your vocabulary, immerse yourself in the language, and embrace your mistakes. Your journey won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. If you found this helpful, don't stop here. Check out my next video on how to speak in English confidently to level up your skills even more. Let's keep learning together. Click the link on your screen now.